And then I do a whole like, oh, I was just watching my man Dominic on YouTube. Well, let me go show you some new things for XREAL over here. Welcome to XREAL. We're gonna show you what is new for 2026 and maybe a peek at what's coming a little bit after that. Come on in. This is our XREAL 1S. It comes in cobalt blue, which is nice. And I want to tell you what's new about this versus its predecessor that was in market last year. So we took last year's XREAL 1 and we've just upped all the specs. We just dialed them up. And here's what we did. We took a 50-degree field of view and we made it a 52-degree field of view. We took a 600 nits brightness and we made it a 700 nits brightness. 120 hertz refresh rate, we've made that ultra buttery smooth. We took a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is good for a phone, and we've made it a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is great for handheld gaming and for PCs. We took last year's $499, a $500 pair of glasses, and we made it this year's $449. So we upped all the specs and we lowered the price. That's what XREAL 1S is. So let's go inside and show you a couple other new things. Come check this out. We're doing some new things. We're connecting our glasses to new places. So what's great about our XREAL glasses is we are plug and play. We plug into all your devices. We plug into that iPhone that's recording right there. We plug into Android phones. We plug into Steam Deck. We plug into Mac. We plug into PC. But there's been a device we haven't been able to plug directly into until now. And that is what somebody's playing over here. Somebody's playing Nintendo Switch 2 with our glasses. And this is really exciting. To be able to use our glasses with Switch 2 and to give those Switch and Switch 2 players access with our glasses, that's brand new. And we're doing that through a new device that we call XREAL Neo. What that is it's a 10,000 milliamp power bank with video pass-through. Like, why would a power bank ever need video pass-through? It's so that we can connect into devices like Switch and Switch 2, like the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X, a fantastic console. We can plug directly into this, yes, but when we also use our power bank, this won't run out of battery. It'll keep you charged up. There it is. Hold on, I'm busy, guys. Oh, get him. Got him. There it is. There it is. Okay, fine. Built into our glasses now, we can do 2D to 3D conversion. And that's 2D to 3D conversion for anything. Any software, any hardware, any video game from any source, any video streaming from any piece of hardware, from computers, from phones, from any of these handheld gaming consoles. We're now able to flip anything into 3D, and it looks really good. So we're gonna show you guys that when I can grab a demo unit. But while I'm talking, let's come check this out too. So another really cool thing that we're showing off for the first time, we're able to take our glasses that, don't have sophisticated SLAM sensors in them. That means simultaneous location and mapping. We're able to use a camera module that we can add into our glasses, and now we can do a little bit of gesture control. So we're finally able to do some of the things that you would expect out of a really expensive, sophisticated VR headset. We can do gesture control out of it, which is what's happening in that room over there. All right, here's something I'm really excited about. Here's something we are really excited. We're gonna sneak into the secret room to go see some gaming with ROG. This is cool. This is something that we just unveiled this week. This is a really exciting partnership with XREAL and ASUS ROG. These are the ASUS ROG XREAL R1. This is the world's first 240 hertz refresh AR glasses. That's a crazy spec, right? ROG is the best at big gaming monitors, gaming peripherals, amazing PCs. They kit out their gear to the nines. So we've taken the best of what ROG does and the best of what XREAL does. Lightweight, portable, cinematic AR glasses, and we've combined them together into the R1. Here's what's great about these. I love the design. I love the look of them. You can see it has a little bit of a special, a unique design. To me, it just screams games. I love that. The inside, when we go into our menus, it's a full ROG menu. So it really feels like my gaming setups. And then we have it connected over here with an awesome ROG PC where we're running at 240 hertz refresh, where we've got the ROG light field going that totally blends in with the rest of your gaming setup. This is something we're really excited about. It's gonna come into market a little later this year, but this collaboration with ROG and XREAL is really gonna bring gamers something super high-end, super powerful, just for them. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my, I need this immediately.
Oh, that's it right there. So what am I looking at right now through this viewfinder?
So what the camera is seeing is This game coming off the ASUS PC, sent through the glasses on a screen that for somebody wearing the glasses is gonna look like about a 200 to 215 inch screen. It's got the 240 refresh. You won't be able to see that through your camera, but when I put them on, sorry, I'm busy. Get him.
Sorry.
Get him. Come on. Flask of Crimson Tears. Nice. Oh, right. We should keep going. All right, so you've had a chance to see what's new from XREAL. We've got the new XREAL 1S, $449. We're in market right now. Higher specs, lower price. We've got the new ROG XREAL R1s coming a little later this year. Perfect for gamers who want all that performance. We've got the XREAL Neo power bank that adds your video pass through so you can charge and play at the same time for all your devices.
Yeah.
And that's just what's happening in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months. There's a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for checking us out.